everyone, it's me again. I want to build the tower. I told my daddy to make me some blocks. And I'll show you how to make it. Please keep watching. Remember to subscribe. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Because I'm building a tower. Daddy, look, watch. Look.
Should Daddy make you something?
Daddy make me blocks. And I want blue.
And what colour?
And I want pink.
And what colour?
While my daughter is taking her time to think of the colours she wants, I decided to go to my wood collection and find the scrap pieces that I'm going to use. This should work.
Daddy, we need some blocks. Daddy, we need to pick some wood and Dad, look at the butterfly.
Oh no.
We need to kill it.
No, that's not nice. You need to look after it. Oh wait.
Oh wait, butterfly.
Okay. So let's pick the wood. I think, how about this one?
Yeah, good idea. And this one.
Okay.
So need.
Any more?
Yeah, we need this one first.
Oh, okay. I think maybe
And we
this.
need this block.
Oh, these 2 blocks.
And we need this.
Alright.
Alright.
So let's see what we can do with this, okay?
Okay.
So these are the pieces that we've selected.
Then we need some triangles. Then we need some squares. We need some rectangles.
So after my daughter's instructions, I began work. Here you can see me set up a push block to make repeated cuts of the same sizes. I find it very therapeutic to watch this part as I make the repeated cuts. Hopefully you guys like it too. As my daughter wanted a few triangles, I used my speed square to mark up the 45-degree angle and took it to my miter saw to make the cuts. You'll see me go back and forth with the bottom plate of the miter saw to bring it to a 45-degree cut and then back to the 90-degree cut to make the triangles. Here I'm using my sander to remove the sharp edges for a smooth touch.
What are we going to do to them?
We're going to paint them. So not pink. So we're going to make it red.
Now with the pieces all cut out and sanded, it is time to paint, which my daughter
Is your
loves.
colour nice?
Yeah, look,
What colour is that?
red.
It started to rain, so I took it inside to finish off the painting. It was really nice to see how the acrylic paint stuck onto the wood and brings out a whole new life to it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Some parts I missed, where I think I need to do a second coat. Wait, so look, so I've missed that. So where I took it off I left it to dry on a piece of paper, and then I took it off, it got stuck to the wood pieces. So I'm gonna wet this and then take this off. So that should hopefully work. If not, I'm just gonna repaint them and do second coat. And some I totally just missed because there was a lot to kind of get through after all the sanding. So yeah, this whole project can be done by hand. It just obviously will take a bit longer. I just used my miter saw and my table saw to speed things up, but it's very simple, very quick. You just select a piece of wood that's the same length all the way around, make your cuts, and then do repeatable cuts. Very happy the fact that I could make use of my scrap wood to make something where my kids can play with. I've seen other YouTubers make this out of paint this from water-based paints. I find water-based paints they're quite thin, so you could see the wood coming through, but I used acrylic instead. Acrylic paints generally provide more coverage because of the thickness, and it also provides a more of a vibrant finish at the end, as you can see. This makes it more appealing for the kids to play with. Blocks are really good toys for children as it encourages imaginative play where they are able to implement their own ideas to create different structures. These blocks also can be used to learn color, to learn how to count, and to learn shapes, which is a great educational element. It also allows kids to play together, which brings me to my final point, to introduce my new helper, which will be featuring in this video to demonstrate this, so stay tuned for that. And now for the real purpose. Let's see if my children actually play with this, or they think, Dad, why are you giving me colored pieces of wood?
Make a big tower with that block.
Okay.
So,
We need to build the base first.
you're not ready yet. Then we make the house. We need to make another one. Okay? Look, I found another one.
Oh, okay.
We need to put this one. Like that. And put this. And we don't need those triangles.
Looked like it worked. She immediately was drawn to it because of the colors and started to build, as you can see in this clip, and I had to just join in.
Oh. Let's build the tower really fast and let's see how quickly it falls.
Wait. First,
Faster. Faster. Good girl.
one first. And this one is a blue.
Yay.
We didn't build it.
Okay, it's still standing.
It's just one more. One more.
Okay, should we now let go and see what happens? Whoa!
Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and click like. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.